1, 2. Let's continue the 新架一路 the fourth movement 六封四闭 after 懒扎一 the weight is on right 懒扎一 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 7 oh, too many mosquitoes. Let me do one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, is the first one from 懒扎一 body move a little bit, sink down a little bit, then use the whole body weight, turn to right. Then this one up, change. Use the back to hit out. Don't draw back, just sinking down a little bit, just sinking down. The strength from your right leg through your spine, then shake out. It's a very special release of strength, the skills, hitting skills in Chen style. Relax. It's whole body weight. Okay. 1, then 捋 2, 3. These 3, 2 palm facing each other, sinking down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, hit out. 7, 7. The left hand becomes the holding arm bow. 7. Then 8. Then change. 8. 9. 9. The 9 is 2 hands at the bottom of your ear. Then elbow, leg diagonal, around 30 degrees. Hit out. This one pushing down, and this one hit back. Hit back. This one. Use body. Then 10. 根部 the foot follow, go back. Just draw a hole. Then when put down this way, finger facing each other, palm outside. Then twist a little bit, then body sinking down. 10, 11. Okay, let me do one more time. Facing the camera, then I will do in a different angle. 懒扎一 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more time, this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.